Good morning, kids. So, are you all ready for today's class? Yes. And children, today we are having which class? You all can see the notebook and tell me. Yes, we are going to study language development. Language development means English. We are going to have English class. And are you all ready with your notebook? See, ma'am is using 3-in-1 notebook now, in which Hindi, English and maths pages are there. We have been telling you. Okay. So children, today you all are going to write A to Z, small A to Z in the notebook. But before starting the work, can you tell me today's date? What is the date today? 2.2.21. That means why we are using this 2? That day also ma'am told you, because this is the second month. And what is the name of the second month? February. Okay. Before this, children, we were writing 1 over here now. That was for January. Okay. So today is 2nd of February 21. 2.2.21. Right. And we are going to write small A to Z. Acha children, before starting today's class, let me tell you some important points which you have to remember. Children, you have to check your formations. You have to be very particular about your formations, because if you will be very particular about your formations now, trust me, your handwriting will come out so nicely. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा और आपकी handwriting बहुत अच्छे से set हो जाएगी. Right? So please, all the mommies, listen to me carefully. Make sure the child's formation कहाँ touch करना है, कहाँ नहीं touch करना है, कहाँ पे loop है, कहाँ पे curve है. अभी थोड़ा सा आप firm हो जाओगे तो trust me, your child's handwriting is going to be very neat. Okay? So please take care of that. So let's begin. Small A to Z we are going to write. Dekho, I am just zooming in over here. We are going to write small A. And children, you all can see we are writing in 4-line copy. You all can see, first you should recognize this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lines. The topmost line and the bottom line is of red color. कौन सा color है बेटा? Red color. और बीच में 2 lines किसकी हैं? Blue line की हैं. So you have to remember कौन सा line, कौन सा letter कहाँ पे touch हुआ है और कहाँ तक जाना है. ठीक है? So let's start. And अच्छा रहेगा, it will be good. Please write with ma'am. This I always tell you. Please write with ma'am. चलो let's write A. स्मॉल ए लिखना है तो यू कैन सी मैम्स ए. ब्लू लाइन पे बना है ना, ब्लू लाइन के बीच में. यस, विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. आपको ABCD तो अब लिखनी आती है. मैम हैज ऑलरेडी टॉट यू. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. फ्रॉम द ब्लू लाइन आई हैव टच्ड द अनदर ब्लू लाइन एंड लाइक दिस. स्मॉल ए, देन बी. ओके, what we have to do, we have to start the standing line from the top red line and till here. So kids, what I was teaching you to write small b, and how we'll go about that? See, from the top red line, ma'am has made one standing line till here, till the blue line. Okay, then you all know how to write b now. We'll do like this. See, small b is done. Now let's come to the small c. Children, as I told you, there are 4 lines now, and the topmost line and the bottom line is of which color? Tell. Yes, red color. And in between there are 2 blue lines. So see, we are going to write in these 2 blue lines. Children, you know the formation of the letters. It's just that you have to be particular and you have to check the lines. Okay? Now let's come to small d. Okay, like this. Started from the top red line and see, like this only you make now. Yes, then let's come to small e. We start like this, go up, touch, and then we'll touch here the blue line. Small e. Now from next line we'll start small f. And children, remember, see, in one line how many letters we have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you also have to write. Okay, follow the same pattern. Now small f will start from the top red line के जरा सा नीचे से, like this, up, down till the blue line. Okay, then sleeping line like this. Small f is done. Now small g. You know now how to make C. Will start, children, small g will start from blue line. Like this, go up, down till the bottom red line and up. Small g. Come to the next letter, small h. Then we'll start from top red line, come down till the blue line. ठीक है, नीचे वाली blue line तक. And then we'll do like this, small h. Small I will make between the two blue lines. Like this, and we'll put a dot. And children, please, your dot should look very neat. Sometimes you make such a ganda sa dot, bada bada करके आप बनाते हो, बहुत गंदा लगता है. See, your dot should look like ma'am's dot. Tick. Now let's come to small j. From where we have to start, you can see my letter. Yes, from the blue line till the bottom red line, huh? Like this, and put a dot here. Small j. Okay. Now from next line, which letter we have to start? Small k. From where, you tell me now, you all can see my k na. Tell me from where I have to start? Top red line. Down till the second blue line, and in between the blue lines we'll make these two slanting lines. This is K. Come to letter L. Start from the top red line and till the blue line and little up. Small L. Come to letter M. This you can see M, N, O. These three letters we are going to write between these two blue lines. Okay, so you have to remember these things. Now start from here. Okay, I have already told you we have to write between blue lines. Down, up, down, up, down. M is ready. Come to the next letter, N. Yes, we have to write in between the both the blue lines. We'll start from here, down, up, down. And you all can see now, ma'am is touching the lines. Ma'am lines को touch कर रही है, right? O for orange, and it is very easy. हो गया सबका? Good. Now come to the next. And we are going to start from letter P. And now children see. Letter P, ma'am has started from the top red line till the bottom red line. Alright? Chalo, let's start. Like this, and then between the blue lines. Yes, this part. P done? Okay, then Q. Q, see how we are going to make between the blue lines like this. Up, down, and a slanting line till here. Q. Are you writing with ma'am, children? Yes, please write with ma'am, okay? Then only your formations will be clear. Now let's come to the letter R. Children, see, again R and S. We'll write between the two blue lines, okay? So, standing line, slanting line, down, R. Okay, then S. It is very easy, small s. Okay, now see again, small t. Now from where ma'am has started, you all can see my letter. Tell. From the top red line. Okay. So, started down, up, and sleeping line here. Small t. You all can see, children, how neat it is coming now. Just because you are very particular about the formations, you are touching the lines, Right? Now come to the last line. And children, see very carefully. In ma'am's last line, how many letters are there? 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on the above lines, ma'am ने आपको बताया कितने letters ma'am ने लिखे हैं one line में? 5 letters. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same pattern you have to follow. Okay, remember, same pattern, same formations you have to follow to write. Okay, chalo, let's begin. And children, you all can see this small U, V, W, X. These all letters will be written in these two blue lines के बीच में we have to write. Okay, and Z also. Why is little different? That I'll tell you. Okay, chalo, let's start. U. You all know how to make U. It's very easy now. See, done. Then V. Okay, then W. You all have already learnt it before how to write. But just remember कि blue lines के बीच में we have to write. Then X. X for क्या होता है? Christmas tree. है ना? Now let's come to Y. अब children see, Y again we are going to start from the blue line. ठीक है, but ये जो दूसरी slanting line है ना, it is coming down till the red line. Like this. One line and another line goes down till the end. This is Y and Z. Again we have to write Z in between both the blue lines like this. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Alright, so you all can see ma'am's work? Yes, and I want you all to write just like this so that ma'am can give you stars. Okay? So please do your work neatly. Use sharpened pencil. See ma'am's pencil, it is sharpened now. Yes, neatness should be there. Use sharpened pencil and please check your formations and see the pattern. Alright? So happy learning. Bye bye.